Welcome. You are watching DPI Anchor Academy channel, where talent is born. Have you ever thought of a makeover for your old laptop? We will share how we can DIY an old laptop and convert it into an awesome piece. Let's check it out. We have with us a laptop whose cover is already faded and surface is full of scratches. Let the modification begin. First, we disinfect the surface with Bacti-X multi-surface disinfectant. It's a powerful stain or dirt cleaner for hard surfaces, and it also eliminates viruses and germs. Then we stick a chrome effect sticker over the laptop as a base color. Before we start applying color, we cover up the areas that we don't want colors on with masking tape. Next, we spray on candy tone series colors. You can choose from a wide range of colors. We are using 4 colors for this project: candy blue, candy green, candy yellow, and candy red. Leave to dry. You can use permanent marker to write or draw something to add some personal touch, or you can just leave it blank. Check out the awesome result using the candy tone series. It's a very simple DIY project Anybody can try it. If you have any questions or suggestion, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.